Welcome to the channel. If you're looking to elevate your Shopify store with a professional, high-converting theme, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the incredible Shrine theme and how it can help you transform your online store. The Shrine theme is designed with your success in mind. Whether you're just starting out or looking to give your existing store a makeover, Shrine offers a sleek and modern design that's fully optimized for mobile. It's fast, stylish, and built to convert visitors into loyal customers. With customizable features, a clean user interface, and seamless mobile responsiveness, the Shrine theme makes it easy to create a standout store. Your customers will enjoy a smooth shopping experience across all devices, helping you boost sales and grow your brand. If you're ready to take your Shopify store to the next level, I'd love to help you get started. Drop me a message on WhatsApp, and let's discuss how Shrine can work for your business. Let's make your store shine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Shopify tips and themes. See you in the next video.